So hello guys, this video is basically for Mac users. So what happened right now, the classic Outlook automatically updated in the new Outlook, okay? So those users who uses the classic Outlook, they are getting the interface of new Outlook automatically, okay, without anything. And when they try to revert back in the legacy one, just like in the help option, we are getting an option that go in help and revert to legacy Outlook. So that option is also not working. When we click on revert to legacy Outlook, so it will again open the new Outlook interface. So why this is happening? Because the new Outlook version is of 16.102. If you are a Mac user and if you are also trying to revert back in the legacy Outlook, so what you need to do, you just need to first check that in which version you are using the Outlook. Okay, so what you need to do, open the Outlook and in the Apple tray upside, okay, just like in the left corner you will get Apple icon, then beside that you will get an option Outlook. Okay, so the apps which we are usually open, so click on the Outlook and click on about Microsoft Outlook. So after that you will get a box that this is your Outlook, this is your Office version, and this is the license you are using. So if your Office version is 16.102, then you cannot go in the classic one, okay, because the classic Outlook latest version is of 16.100.3, not 16.102. That's why you're not reverting back, because the versions are mismatched. So what you need to do if you want to use the classic Outlook, okay, because many users are reporting that just like they have 2 or 3 profiles in the Outlook, so they are okay with the new Outlook, but in the new Outlook they are not getting many features, just like the profile options and all. So they are just getting all the profiles in the left pane. Just like I have 2 profiles, just like in which I am using 2 accounts in that profile and 2 accounts in a different profile. So when I open the new Outlook, so my all email ID is showing in a one profile only, okay. So I'm not getting the profile option in that also, okay, and the export option, many options are not available in the new Outlook. So that's why the users want to go in the legacy one. So if you are getting this error, then what you need to do, first you need to identify that which protocol you are using in the Mac, okay. If you are using the IMAP or POP, okay, if you are not aware about IMAP and POP, so you can search it online, okay. So if you want to check that how to check the IMAP and POP, so in the Outlook tray you will get an option of tools, okay, just like the same Apple and then Outlook. Then in the same tray you will get an option tools, okay. So click on tools and go in the accounts option, okay. Last second option should be of accounts. So go in the accounts and check all the accounts, okay, that if it is in the IMAP or POP. If all the accounts is in the IMAP, okay, then you can directly uninstall the new Outlook, okay. Uninstall the new Outlook and then just I'm just taking you on my screen, okay. So just visit on update history for Office for Mac, okay. In the second row you will get an option Word, Excel, Outlook. So just install that Outlook, okay. So that is the classic version. Just click on the Outlook and install the Outlook, okay. That's it. So now you will get your classic version. If your account is configured as an POP, okay, just like you are using the POP account, then you should be aware, because see in the POP, if your mails are not on your server, okay, you can check on the email also. Just like I am using my Gmail account, right? So on my Gmail, if I am using the POP, then please check that the server contains all the emails or not, okay, because in the POP, the emails will be removed from server after 14 days or what the days we set, okay. So just check if you have all the mails on your server, okay, then you can remove it, okay, and reinstall the Outlook. If the mails are not on the server, then you need to take the backup of it first, okay. As we know that in the new Outlook we don't have option to export the mails. So see, you need to check with the third party tools, okay, just like with the Mac support you can check it, because see, as the POP account will also save in that, okay, but sometimes it get corrupted, just like the Outlook will not pick out your data files, that's why. So what you need to do, if you can connect with the Apple support just to check if any software they have to take the backup, just like Time Machine they have. So that feature also you can try, okay. But see, if you have all the emails on the server, then you can go with this option, okay. Just uninstall the Outlook and reinstall from my site, okay, just like which I already show you the update history for Office for Mac. So install the Office from there and you will get all that. So guys, hope you understand that why it is not reverting back, because the version mismatch, okay. And if you got solution from my video, then you can subscribe my channel, okay, and like this video if anything helps you, okay. And thank you for your time guys. Bye bye.